Hello lovely ladies, I hope you're safe and sound. So this is actress Preeti Singh Rajput, Mali Ochesanu with a beautiful collection Adi. So any guesses what collection I'm gonna show you? Yes, of course it's going to be a pure Kanchipattu collection Adi. So you can see me, I have worn a beautiful Kanchipattu here. So it's a beautiful sari and violet color lo unnayandi and borders are in red. We also have got yellow color in the border and beautiful floral motifs వచ్చాయి and golden zari border and these sarees are all 2G sarees అండి pure కంచిపట్టు sarees. So first mannequin లో ఉన్న sarees చూసిద్దాం. So here we go with the red color kanchipattu saree with navy blue color border. So we have the small floral motifs and and pure golden zari work and navy blue color contrast border. It's a beautiful saree and here goes this beautiful green and yellow combination saree. So it's a very unique green and matter. So we have a unique design as well. So if you see the details, it's a lovely design and yellow color contrast border ochai. So we have got this pure golden and silver zari work, cross lines and beautiful floral motifs on it. So before that, let me show you the chart only. So we have contact details mentioned here and GPay number mentioned here. So as and when I'll show you the sarees, మీకు ఏది నచ్చుతుందో just take a screenshot and send it to us and we will assist you further for processing your orders. So now let me quickly start showing you the sarees. This is a beautiful pink color saree andi. Pure Kanchipattu and all over the saree details చూస్తే you have this beautiful floral motifs and yellow color border. So such a lovely combination. This is pink and yellow and you have cross lines and diamonds and floral motifs on the borders only. And pallu chesi, this is the look of the pallu. And coming to the blouse, this is the blouse, plain yellow color contrast blouse. And coming to the price of this saree, this is 29,500. So it's a beautiful bridal wear collection adi what I'm going to show you. So the next saree ochesi beautiful yellow color again. It's a beautiful yellow color. So checks ochayandi, golden zari work too, and you have got this silver zari work as well. And borders ochesi, we have this medium size border here, peacocks and diamonds, and pink color finishing. Pallu ochesi, this is the pallu, and this is the blouse andi, contrast pink color blouse. Coming to the price, this is 21,000. So next saree. So here goes the green saree andi, and we have red color contrast border. So all over the body of the saree, see you have this beautiful leaf motifs and very brilliant combination, green and red. Look at this border, we have diamond motif, small border this side and big border this side, diamonds unnai, peacocks unnai. So pure golden zari work though. This is the pallu and blouse. This is the blouse. Red color lo unnai. And coming to the price, this is 25,000. Such a lovely saree. So next saree chusidam. So all these sarees are pure Kanchipattu and 2G collection andi. So here goes the next saree. So beautiful pink color and violet color border. So cross checks వచ్చాయి, లోపల ఫిల్లింగ్స్ వచ్చాయి. So all over the body of the saree వచ్చేసి silver zari work వచ్చాయి And borders lo we have this golden zari and mata. So we have elephant motifs as well. And this side cross lines. It's a beautiful kanchipattu sari andi. And this is the look of the pallu. And coming to the blouse, this is the look of the blouse. And price of chasing, this is 24,500. So the next saree, so it's a very beautiful color again, chala bright color undandi. So here it goes. The blue color saree. It's a navy blue color saree, and we have this red color contrast border. Such a brilliant combination. Very beautiful color. So this is the design we have. So all over the saree medium size booties vachayandi. So pure golden zari work tho, and borders too we have cross lines and peacocks. This is a look of the pallu. Very beautiful pallu. And this is the look of the blouse. It's a plain contrast blouse. And coming to the price, this is 29,500. So మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. And we have mentioned the Google Pay numbers as well, so that you can transfer the payment online. And we are also having international courier services and apart from shipping all over India. Here goes the pink color saree. It's a very beautiful saree andi. So all over the body vachesi silver zari work vachai, and we have this very lighter shade of peach color border and beautiful pure silver zari work on it. And this is a pallu. It's very fantastic pallu. And blouse vachesi, this is the blouse. We have brocade blouse anamata. And coming to the price of this saree, this is 28,500. So let me show you the next saree now. Here goes the blue color saree. With orange color contrast border. So all over the saree we have this leaf motifs and mata. And we have this beautiful golden zari work on the borders and all over the saree. Diamonds and mangoes and peacocks vachayandi on the borders. So blue and orange is also a very beautiful combination, and this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. And coming to the price of this saree, this is 25,000. This goes a beautiful magenta color kanchipattu saree ani. So we have got this lovely floral design. So ikkada golden and silver zari work lo vachai. Self border which has got a green color finishing. So we have diamonds and peacocks and floral booties on the borders. And the pallu is like this. And coming to the blouse, we have this green color contrast blouse. And price of chasing 21,000. So the next saree, it's also a very beautiful color only. So this is a violet color saree, and we have pink color contrast border. So we have this lovely design. So all over the saree, pure golden zari work vachai. Even on the borders, this is a big border, florals and cross lines. It's a very beautiful combination. So each and every saree has got its own beauty, Andy. So such a lovely combination. Please do not miss on it, and just take a screenshot and send it to us. And this is the blouse. contrast pink color blouse and matter. And coming to the price, this is 29,500. So the next saree, it's beautiful blue color, sky blue color shade andi. Sky blue color shade saree, and we have silver zari work all over the saree. So beautiful leaves and florals. And red color contrast border, such a lovely combination. So borders lo vachesi golden zari work vachayi, and body of the saree lo vachesi silver zari vachayi. It's a very brilliant combination, and red and sky blue. It's looking really bright. And the pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. And price of this saree వచ్చేసి 29,500. సో మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీకు ఏది నచ్చుతుందో ఆ సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ఈ నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి for orders, and our sales team will definitely respond to you and assist you for processing your orders and Google Pay numbers kuda mention chesi undi so that you can transfer the payment online. Here goes the next saree. It's a beautiful cream color saree with pink border. So lovely floral motifs vachayi. And we have cross lines and florals and mata on the borders. Pink color, such a lovely combination. And pallu vachesi, this is the look of the pallu. And blouse vachesi, this is the look of the blouse. So contrast pink colored blouse and mata. Price vachesi 29,500. So let me show you the next beautiful saree, which is coming up in a lovely color combination again. So this is blue color, navy blue color saree with pink color contrast border. So all over the body of the saree vachesi golden zari work vachayi. We have this pink color contrast border and cross lines and florals. And pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this, plain contrast pink color blouse. Price vachesi 24,500. So the next saree is a beautiful, my favorite, yellow color. And red color border, such a lovely traditional combination, Andy. So yellow color saree and red color border. So all over the saree vachesi you have this beautiful floral designs in mata. So pure zari work lo unnai, and borders vachesi cross lines and florals with pure golden and silver zari. It's a very beautiful color, yellow and red. This is the pallu. And coming to the blouse, this is the blouse. Price of Chasey 26,000. I'm sorry, it's 25,600. So that was a lovely combination, yellow and red, very traditional color. So next, it's a beautiful color. So it's pink and blue. So it's a very lovely combination, Andy. So pink color saree lo, blue color border, and you can see this lovely golden zari work. So leaf motifs, such a beautiful golden zari work lo vachayi, and borders are in pink. You can see these peacocks and florals. So it's gonna look really beautiful if you pleat it and drape it. And the pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this, contrast blue color blouse. And coming to the price, this is 25,600. So next saree chusidam. So these are beautiful color combinations, and please do not miss out. Meeku ek nachtundo ventane screenshot teeskoni send it to us for orders, and we will take care of it. Here goes the next saree. It's a lovely blue color saree. It's a very different, unique blue color and matter with pink color border. Chinna borders vachayi on both the sides. and lovely design. So jal వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట, జాల్ లోపల ఫిల్లింగ్స్. And we have this beautiful lighter shade of pink color border, golden zari work completely all over the sari. And this is the pallu, and this is the blouse. Contrast pink shade lo chai, and the price of this sari vachesi 25,000. So let me show you the chart again. So these are the contact details andi. So మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ఈ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి, అండ్ వీ విల్ డెఫినెట్లీ అసిస్ట్ యూ ఫర్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ యువర్ ఆర్డర్స్ అండి. అండ్ గూగుల్ పే నంబర్స్ కూడా మెన్షన్ చేసి ఉంది. యూ కెన్ యూస్ ఎనీ వన్ నంబర్ ఫర్ మేకింగ్ ద పేమెంట్ ఆన్లైన్. Here goes the next sari in beautiful red and violet border. So red sari lo we have this leaf motifs and mother. So all over the sari leaf jal vachai, pure golden zari work tho, and borders are lovely combination andi. So red and blue. So we have cross lines and peacocks with pure golden zari work. This is the look of the pallu. And this is the blouse. Contrast blue color lo vachai. Price vachesi 28,500. So the next sari is a very beautiful traditional color. Any guesses? Okay, let me show you. So it's a green color sari with pink color border. Such a beautiful combination, green and pink. And look at the design. So we have got this lovely jal and mata, local floral fillings icharu, and borders vachesi pink color borders icharu, cross lines and peacocks vachai, pure golden zari work tho. So this is a very beautiful sari, and pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this, pink color lo vachai. Contrast pink color blouse and mata. And coming to the price, this is 29,500. So very brilliant color combinations and pure Kanchipattu collection. Do not miss out. Mere nachina saree screenshot teeskoni WhatsApp cheseyandi. So here goes the next saree in blue color. So beautiful sky blue color saree lo yellow color contrast border. So it looks like a star motifs all over the body of the sari with pure golden zari, and borders are like big border. You can take a single pallu or even pleat it. So man, beautiful peacocks unnayandi, cross lines. Pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this. Price of Chasey 26,000. So lovely combinations, beautiful traditional color combinations. And here goes the next sari. Now this is a very pretty sari, pink color lo unnayandi. Beautiful pink color sari. So we have this beautiful jal motif, and look at this design here, such a lovely, so big peacocks vachayandi. If you see the details on the left hand side, big peacock design, and a small border that is blue color border. So pink and blue is a beautiful combination, navy blue and mata. Pallu is like this. Blouse vachesi plain blue colored blouse andi. So very beautiful color combinations andi. Price vachesi 23,000 only. So the next saree, it's a beautiful color, chala bright color anamata. So here it goes. The darker shade of ink blue color saree andi. And ikkada vachesi manki copper and silver zari vachayi. So lovely floral motifs all over the body of the saree. So copper zari and silver zari, both the zaris have been used. And this side we have a small border which is the peacocks. This side is a big border, double border chain. So you can even pleat it. It's a very soft material, pure Kanchipattu collection. And this is the look of the pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి contracts green color blouse. Coming to the price, this is 23,000. సో మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీరు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ఈ నెంబర్స్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్ అండి ఫర్ ప్లేసింగ్ ది ఆర్డర్. And for making the payment online, we have mentioned the Google Pay numbers as well. And we also have international courier services, Annie. So we are also shipping internationally and all over India. Here goes the next saree, beautiful pink and blue combination and matter. Body of the saree వచ్చేసి we have this golden zari work look, peacock motifs and matter. And borders where we have peacocks and diamonds. So we have this pure golden zari work all over the body of the saree. Pallu is like this. Blouse, we have this contrast blue color blouse. And coming to the price, this is 23,000 only. So next, my favorite color. So it is a beautiful yellow color saree with pink color contrast border. So this is a beautiful saree. Look at this border. We have beautiful pink color border. Floral design all over the body of the saree. And borders lo vachesi peacocks and cross lines. It's a lovely color combination. So single pallu kuda teeste baaguntadi. And this is the pallu. And blouse is like this, pink color contrast and matter with golden zari borders. And price of chasey 29,500. So the next saree is a beautiful color. So this is a pink color saree and matter. So body of the saree chasey cross lines, local floral fillings, silver zari work too. Left side we have this lovely border, peacocks, pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this. Contrast green color blouse and matter. Coming to the price, this is 23,000. That was a brilliant combination. The next saree, the beautiful color again. The lighter shade of sky blue color saree ani with pink color contrast border. So we have beautiful cross lines and matter, local fillings, big border. It's a very big border. Pallu is like this. And blouse is like this. Coming to the price, this is 29,500. So let me show you the next saree, Andy. Wow, this is a very fantastic color. So it's a kind of pink and matter, but a lighter shade of a different kind of pink. And we have this lovely cross line design, a cross checks design, local fillings. And this side we have this big border, so yellow color contrast border on this pink color saree. So body of the saree వచ్చేసి silver zari work వచ్చాయండి, and borders వచ్చేసి golden zari work. Pallu is like this. Blouse is like this. Brocade blouse and matter, yellow color lo. Price వచ్చేసి 24,999. So మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. So these are the contact numbers only for placing the order, and we have mentioned the Google Pay numbers as well, so that you can transfer the payment online. And international courier services కూడా available గా ఉందండి. So apart from shipping all over India, here goes the lovely blue color sari. It's a beautiful sky blue color sari lo navy blue color border vachayandi. So we have silver zari anamata. So pure silver zari all over the body of the sari, and body of the sari lo chesi floral jal vachayi anamata, and borders lo we have diamonds and peacocks. It's a lovely design. It's a very unique western style sari. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse, contrast blue color blouse, navy blue color blouse, and price vachesi 29,500. So that was a lovely sari andi. So next sari chusidam. So it's a beautiful grey color sari andi. Grey color sari lo copper zari work vachayi. So lovely copper zari design. And the lavender color border, copper zari work vachayandi, and this is the look of the pallu, and this is the blouse. Coming to the price, this is 24,500. The next coming sari is a lovely sari. So this is a leaf green color sari andi with red color contrast border. So we have this beautiful floral design all over the body of the sari, and look at this lovely border. So red color borders vachayi. You can see this beautiful elephants and cross lines. A very beautiful work andi. And this side we have a small border, red color lo cross lines vachayi, and pallu is like this, and the blouse is like this. So we have a contrast red color blouse. Price vachesi 29,500. So the next sari. So these are all pure Kanchipattu collection andi. So lovely collection and beautiful bridal collections. Do not miss out. Very natural sarees. Ventane screenshot teeskoni WhatsApp chesiyandi for the orders, and definitely we will respond to you andi and assist you. And here goes the next saree. It's a beautiful blue color saree, and all over the saree vachesi silver zari work vachayandi. We have this beautiful flowers, small borders on both the sides, cross lines and diamonds, beautiful silver zari work too. Pallu is like this, pure golden zari work too. Blouse is like this. Coming to the price of this saree, this is 20,999. So next saree chusidam. So all beautiful, brilliant combinations andi. So do not miss out. Just take a screenshot and send it to us. These are the contact numbers where you have to send it to us, and we have mentioned the Google Pay numbers as well, so that you can make the payment online. Here goes the next saree, lovely lighter shade of sky blue color and peach color border. So cross lines vachayi, peacocks vachayi, pure golden zari work on the border andi, and body of the saree lo silver zari vachayi. So you have this beautiful floral jal, very lovely combination. Pallu is like this, and blouse is a contrast peach color blouse. Coming to the price, this is 29,500. So this was the last saree andi from pure Kanchipattu collection. So all you have to do is take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us. I hope you all loved this beautiful collection. I just loved almost all the colors andi. So we have beautiful traditional color combinations and western traditional combination. So do not miss out, and 2G sarees andi. So that's all for now from pure Kanchipattu. Malli vastanu with another collection. So till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.